Go to Suno AI and sign in or create an account. Once you are inside Suno, look for the option to create a song. Beginner tip: don't worry about understanding every button. For your first song, we only need the basic creation tools. Stage 2. Decide what your song will be about before touching the AI. Think of one simple idea. For example, I want to make a happy song about enjoying life in Papua New Guinea. That's enough to begin. You can make songs about love Papua New Guinea, faith, motivation, breakups, parties, island life, family, nature, success. For your first experiment, keep the idea simple. Stage 3. Choose your music style. This is where you tell Suno what kind of music you want. For example, Afrobeat, upbeat Afrobeat, tropical, energetic, catchy rhythm, male vocals, or reggae, relaxed reggae, island vibe, warm bass, melodic male vocals. Beginner recommendation: for your first song, try upbeat Afrobeat, tropical island vibe, catchy chorus, male vocal. Stage 4. Write simple lyrics. If you don't know how to write lyrics, you can ask AI to help you create them. For example, your song could be about life in Papua New Guinea. A simple structure is: verse 1 gives chorus, verse 2 gives chorus, bridge, final chorus. You don't need complicated poetry. Stage 5. Enter your song into Suno. Depending on the current Suno interface, you may see options for simple or more advanced custom creation. For a first attempt, choose the simplest creation workflow. You can give Suno song description, paste your lyrics into the lyrics area if you're using custom lyrics, then select Create, Generate. Suno will process your request and generate the music. Stage 6. Listen to your first song. This is the exciting part. Suno may produce different versions of your song. Listen carefully to vocals, drums, instruments, melody, chorus, overall sound, whether the lyrics sound natural. Don't expect your first generation to be perfect. Your first song is an experiment. Stage 7. If you don't like it, generate again. This is one of the most important things for beginners to understand. You don't have to accept the first result. Try changing the description. Version 1. Upbeat Afrobeat, tropical island vibe, energetic male vocals. Stage 8. Improve your song. Once you understand the basic process, start experimenting with vocals. Try male vocal, female vocal, soft vocal, powerful vocal, emotional vocal, rap vocal. Rhythm. Try Afrobeat, reggae, hip-hop, and for instruments, try acoustic guitar, electric guitar, piano. Stage 9. Make your song more professional. Instead of writing, make a good song about PNG. Give Suno more direction. The more clearly you describe the musical characteristics, the more control you have over the result. Stage 10. Create your final version. When you find a version you really like, you can continue developing it using Suno's available editing creation features. You can work on song structure, lyrics, sections, vocals, instrumentation, intro, chorus, outro. Your goal is to move from idea, AI generation, editing, final song.